Versatile design. Chrome finish is highly reflective for a mirror-like look that works with any decorating style. Coordinating collection. Coordinates with other Moen bathroom accessories. Flexible placement. For use in the bath as well as the kitchen for hanging towels and more. Peace of mind. Designed for hassle-free installation. Offering simplicity as its main motif, the Moen Preston bathroom towel ring acts as a subtle accent that complements surrounding decor. Designed to match the Moen Preston series of trims, this stylish towel ring for bathrooms comes with mounting hardware and a template for easy home installation. Choose from a stylish chrome finish and a warm brushed nickel finish. This towel ring is backed by Moen. Top reviews from the United States. Great vintage look at a great price point. I bought this to replace the exact same towel holder I used in my bathroom remodel almost 20 years ago. The old holder had started coming apart at the base where the hoop attaches. I figured if the first one lasted 20 years, that's an amazing value and I'd replace the old one with a new exact match. I was stunned that this exact design was still being manufactured and slipped the new one over the old mounting plate. It fit perfectly. Moen is amazing quality. You simply can't go wrong.